Hi friends, I am your Shaim here. I hope you all are doing good today. Birthdays serve as a trendy occasion when friends, families, close ones living near and far, everyone gather together. Giving and receiving a greeting card is the happiest moment of this occasion. With this thought in my mind, I have come up with an idea of making a card myself. Very easy and very attractive looking card with the items available at my home. So let's get started.